Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Valorant error code VAL7. In order to fix this issue, you have to reset your internet connection. So to do this, type cmd in Windows search, right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. Now you have to enter few commands one by one and hit enter. You can copy paste command from the video description. These commands are safe to use, as this command is just for resetting the internet connection. In order to complete the reset process, we have to restart our PC. So click on Windows icon, then restart your PC. After restarting your PC, launch Valorant and check error code VAL7 is fixed or not. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.